Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the recently connected issue on WhatsApp. If WhatsApp isn't updating your online status properly or showing incorrect connection activity, don't worry, this guide will walk you through a few simple steps to help fix it. First, completely close WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure the app is not running in the background. This is important before we make any changes. Once WhatsApp is closed, go to your phone's Settings app. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the steps are mostly the same on Android phones. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for Apps or Applications. Tap on it to open the list of all apps installed on your phone. Now scroll through the list until you find WhatsApp. Once you locate it, tap on WhatsApp to open its app settings. From here, start by selecting Notifications. Make sure notifications are fully enabled. Also check that alerts, sound, and vibration are turned on. This helps WhatsApp stay active and responsive in the background. Next, go back and tap on Permissions. Make sure WhatsApp has all the required permissions enabled, including access to network, background activity, and notifications. Missing permissions can prevent WhatsApp from updating your connection status correctly, so double-check this step. After that, go back again and tap on Storage. At the bottom, you'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Only tap Clear Cache, do not clear data, as that would remove your chats and settings. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. Once that's done, exit Settings completely. Now, reopen WhatsApp and give it a moment to sync. Check whether the recently connected status is now updating properly. And that's it for today's video. These simple steps should help fix the recently connected problem on WhatsApp and get everything working smoothly again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.